Hello everyone. In today's video, I am going to show you how to allow followers on your LinkedIn profile using the LinkedIn mobile app on your Android device. This is a great way to grow your professional network and connect with more people in your industry. Let's get started. First, open up the LinkedIn app on your Android smartphone. If you don't have the app installed on your phone, you can simply download it from the Play Store. Now log into your LinkedIn account. Since my login was saved by LinkedIn, I only have to click on my account name to sign in. But if you are new, you might have to enter your email address and password, and then you can sign into your LinkedIn account. And also, if you don't have a LinkedIn account, you can watch our previous video on how to create a LinkedIn account. Once you're in the app, tap on your profile picture and click on Settings, which is located at the bottom left of your screen. Now click on Visibility. Scroll down until you see the Followers section and tap on Followers to access the Followers setting. Now in the Followers settings, make sure to choose Everyone on LinkedIn and also toggle on the Make Follow Primary option so you'll have more chances of being discovered by the businesses and people. You can also choose Your Connections option, and if we choose Your Connections option, no one but your connection will be allowed to follow your account. Once you've made all the desired changes to your follower settings, be sure to review them and confirm that everything is set up as you want. You can always come back and adjust these settings in the future if needed. And that's it. You've now learned how to allow followers on your LinkedIn profile using the Android mobile app. By enabling this feature, you can now expand your professional network and share your updates with a wider audience. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more LinkedIn tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.